Happy anniversary, babe.
I'm so excited.
9 years. Yeah. Open your gift.
I'm so excited, and I love the purple. Why? Oh, this is heavy. Purple.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm gonna open yours.
I know, but
This is cute. Thanks, babe. Oh, you got a new one.
new leggings.
I'm gonna wear this for the weekend. Ooh, this is nice.
It has pockets. There's more down there. Bought you a cover up for Hawaii.
Oh, yes.
For
bikini
Hawaii.
Medium, yes. Oh, that's cute. That might match the shorts.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it comes with the bottoms.
No way.
Yeah.
This is cute. Wait, okay, so I have to get a different bathing suit then. Like I could get a bottom and a
Yeah.
top.
You have your black one up there. It will go good with that. Black.
This is really cute. Okay, wow.
Open that one.
What is this?
Uh-oh.
Hey, shut up. What is it? Is that it?
Michael Kors. What? Who got you Michael
Stop.
Kors?
How do you open this? Do you take the bowl off?
Wait. Where's...
Oh, it comes just up there. Okay. Michael Kors cards. Let me see this. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'll have to keep this. Wait, hold on. Let me set this up. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna put it over here. Okay. How do I do this? This is so exciting. Wait, how do I do this? Not me, I know how to open a Michael Kors.
Figure it out.
Wait, hold on. Oh.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Babe, shut up. Oh my god. Okay, I have to switch backpacks right now. Guys, this is so cute. Thanks, babe. Oh my gosh, it's big and I can fit everything. Oh my gosh.
Like
How
my
do you do
downy.
this? Oh, you gotta set it up.
Like my downy.
Yeah.
Look at my backpack. This is gonna be my backpack every day. I love it. I'm so excited. This is so cute.
And mommy.
Okay, and let me open my this.
I want a Sonic hood.
You mean backpack?
Yeah.
Okay, so it says, to my wife, you're a beautiful blessing to me. Aww. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, this gotta go up here too. Where am I gonna put this? Okay. Thank you, babe. Not my mouth in the camera. Okay, your turn. All right, so here's my babe's anniversary 9-year gift. I'm excited for you. So, okay.
Minecraft?
Okay, do the card first. Okay.
To my husband, with love on our anniversary. Oh, that's pretty cool.
What do you think about the card? That was a nice. That was a good one. But you gotta put it up there with your card up there. Period. All right, let's see.
Put your drinks No way. No.
Is it Minecraft? No. Why is it Minecraft?
I'll see how it look. How's it feel, babe?
Oh, it's awesome. Feels good. Go Yankees. Go Soto. Juan Soto.
Wait, why am I cutting this up? Happy Thursday! It's our anniversary. I just got ready. Cook OOTD. Here comes Isaiah. And you guys, I'm obsessed. Yeah, my backpack. Oh, I can't believe I got it. I'm so excited. All right, here's my babe's OOTD. He's wearing his anniversary gift. Number 22. Let's go. And my pup is just comfortable. He wanted to copy me. He wanted a backpack, so he's wearing his Sonic backpack. And say hi, you ready to go out on the town on her phone? So I will see you guys there. Bye. Hey guys, so we're in the car. We're on the way to, what is it, King and Queen? It's a new place. I've been excited. Like, we've been seeing about, like Tiempo, Cantina, like all their places are pretty good. And we've been seeing that. We've been wanting to go to one, and they just built one close close by. So we're like, let's check it out. That's where we're gonna go for the anniversary. Very excited. See how it goes. Hey guys. Isaiah, what is that? So anyways, we'll see you guys when we get there. You guys, look what I got. The crunchy roll. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. My drinks. Look at babe. I was like, your drink. And then the kids got quesadilla and fries. You guys, asada nachos. Bomb. Show the wall. You guys, look how this place looks. It's like all the decorations and everything. They have like TVs. It's pretty cool. What kind of drink is this?
What? Guys, hey guys. This is a smoking margarita. It's a mezcal. It's a cucumber margarita. Looks delicious. Let's try it out, yeah.
Good enough.
The smoky flavor and the cucumber balances out good with the tahini. It's pretty good, y'all. Check out King and Queen Cantina Whittier. Let's go.
And this is Anthony's burrito. Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Ready, y'all?
What?
Guys, it's a serrano pepper. Hot. I'm gonna do it right now. Ready? 1, 2. Wish me luck.
Is it hot? How's it? How's it? You guys, so here is the cake. Our anniversary cake. This is so good. I said this is so good. This is so cute. Thanks, babe. And it's like a little mermaid vibe. So this is so good. I can't wait to see how it tastes.
Wait. You see this cake, y'all? I have a surprise, though. So, just because it looks like this now, it won't look like that by the end of this video, okay? All right, wish me luck.
I'll come back. You guys, look it. So he put happy anniversary. You can't even like really tell what it says, but he tried his best. So this is how it came out. I appreciate it. You guys, here is our anniversary cake. 9 candles. So come on, babe, let's make a wish and then blow it out. Okay, let's make
you guys want
see.
to make a wish with us?
Okay, let me see what my wish is. Okay. Hey. So we went on a little shopping. Not shopping spree, just a little anniversary shop. And you guys, we went to Target. If y'all know, we're going to Hawaii soon, so I needed a new bathing suit. I have a few, but I don't know, they don't fit me good. So I'm like a large now, y'all. I can't believe it. So I had to get a large bottom. Is this large? Please tell me I got the right size. Okay, large, yeah. Large top, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, it's gonna match with the cover my babe got me for the anniversary. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm gonna be wearing that for sure with the cover up, yes. And then we went to Kohl's. And tell me why my babe had to buy this. I told him to get something for himself, and this is what he got. He chose Cody Rhodes because that's the W championship. Okay, next for the kids, Neve got, what is this? LOL Crayola. Did you know this was Crayola one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the one you like?
Yes.
Crayola.
I want to open this.
And then Isaiah got this is the egg shot something, whatever this is. And then what is this? Oh yeah, and then I got me a new bra because y'all, I've been needing one for a long time. Bra and then new underwears or whatever.
Wait,
so
you guys.
I've been needing this, y'all. So this is our little shopping thing we did today. And yeah. And here we're showing what Neve got. This is so cute. She wanted pink, but I'm not gonna lie, the orange is very cute. Yes. What do you think? Orange is very cute. So that's her. She got the Crayola sunnies on. Let me see her eyes. Hey girl. She got the makeup with the orange. This is actually very, very cute.
And also, if you take her off the stand, you can see her shoes.
Okay. Then it comes with this.
It looks like a spray bottle.
Oh, let me see. Let me focus. What does it say? What's that say? Oh, Crayola. And what's this saying? Oh, SPF. Oh, actually, I don't think that's a drink. It says SPF 50. That's sunscreen. She's holding sunscreen. Because she's going to the beach. Because she got the surfboard. Surfboard.
Where's
So
the
look
water
at-
bottle?
This is, she don't have water, but that's her putting sunblock on. She about to go separate. Whoa. Anyways, they could be friends now. I got Cody Rhodes, the LL girl. Hey. So this is the egg shot gun. We got it all set up. So he has the bullets like right here. These little side things. Let me push it through. That's, you could like store them right here. Isaiah, want to show how it works?
Wait, can I?
Okay, hold on. You guys both, there's two of them. Don't shoot each other though. Shoot down the hallway. So let me see. Okay, let me see Isaiah first. Come close, pup. Come close.
That's good.
And then shoot that way. Okay, shoot that way. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, and it goes far. Let me see, Sissy. You know how to do it?
If it doesn't go far.
It's right there. Yeah. And then shoot towards the hallway. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Period.
Where'd it go?
They're gonna have fun with this.
Where'd it go?
You guys, I'm so excited. We got these samples from my mom, and she got them from Sephora. And you guys don't know, the skincare at Sephora be on point. So one of them's for me, one of them's for my husband. This one's for my husband. It's called Kiehl's or whatever. I looked this up, you guys. And it's like really expensive, so I don't know if I'll get it the full size, but this is the acne clearing solution. If you guys know my husband, he's used Clean and Clear like in the past, but he hasn't recently. So I think he's gonna try this out. This is how it looks. I'm really excited to see how that is. His acne is a lot better now that he's older, but he has struggled with that in the past. And for me, I should be getting on a skincare regimen. I am in my 30s. I'm 32 now, and I have not got on a skincare routine at all, and I'm so late, but I'm excited to try Good Genes. I've heard of this as well. This is to exfoliate, it's the lactic acid treatment, it's to clear and radiate complexion, it visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots, discoloration. You guys, I suffer with dark spots and discoloration really bad. And plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So yes, love that for us. So I'm definitely going to be trying this within the next week and let you guys know how it works for us. You guys, look at this. I'm so excited. Our first Versace. And it's for my babe. Shout out to my mom. Thank you. Like, she got this little Parfum, the Dylan Turquoise. It's the little sample one, but y'all, we ain't never had nothing from Versace. So I know it's for a boy, but I want it. She gave it. It's for my husband. And here's how it look like. Versace.
Mommy.
It's really cool.
Bye,
so
Mommy.
I'm excited for him for this.
Mommy. Bye.
Nice outfits. You guys look so cute, and you guys are matching. Super cute. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're in the car. Happy Sunday. It's still anniversary weekend, and we're going to Dave & Buster's with the kids. Hey guys.
Hi.
I think Isaiah only been once. We used to go all the time back in the day with Nevaeh, but we're starting to go back again. It's still in Arcadia, which I'm excited about. And we're almost there, so I just want to check in with you. Elle, who's playing today? So we'll see. You should have worn your thing. Anyways. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Bye. Look at the kids. Dave & Buster's, y'all.
Hurry up.
Ah, he said hurry. He said hurry up. Hey, look at my babe. Of course, this is the first thing we go to is basketball. Let me see you, Isaiah. Oh my gosh. Let me see you go. You guys, rolling. This is our favorite game. Get it, Pop. Where'd the ball go? Oh, it's coming. Get it, get it, get it. Go, Pop. Oh, that's it. Go. Let's see the bear. Whoa. You guys, Isaiah just got a strike. I missed it. Look, he got the golden. You got tickets? Let's see. Here it goes down the middle.
Mommy.
Oh, he almost did another strikeout. So y'all, they doing gymnastic. Nevaeh's. Here we go. Oh, run. You guys run. 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 The kids got the chicken tenders and fries. Y'all, I got chicken parmesan. This looks fun. And look at my drink. Huh.
I'm playing.
Among Us. Oh, they're going crazy, they're going crazy, they're going crazy. Okay, break the plates, break the plates. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he almost got it. Oh! So one more time, let's see. Home run, home run. Hit it hard. Whoa.
One out.
Go, go, go. Let it go. Oh. Go. Oh, home run. Yeah. Home run, Pop. No. Wait. I'll tell you when to do it. Well, go. There you go. Home run.
To the white wall.
Wait, look at 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, you have to wait. I'll tell you when to go. Go! Look at the kids, and this is our favorite game, y'all. Let me see you. Go, go, go. Y'all, this is their favorite game. Look at Isaiah on the helicopter. Look at the base picture. Look at the base picture, y'all. Oh my gosh, there's something in the car with you, the man. They got dinosaurs. Look at the base picture. Look at Isaiah's picture in the bottom of the forehead. Go. Oh, go. Go, Pop. Go. Kick it hard. Oh, go. Go. Wait, go. Go again. Go in the bed. Not the ball stuck. This dumb referee. Okay, kick it. You're hurting him. Go. Look at you guys. Steer, Isaiah. Grab it. See the man. Oh my God, that's take the picture. Wait, where's the man's picture? Oh, we. The picture. Good job. The man got first place. Look, Isaiah got second place. Guys, we just left out of Dave & Buster. How did you guys feel about Dave & Buster's? It was fun. Did you guys like your gift what you got? So much fun. We played every single game. I loaded the card. Anthony loaded the card. We even played with the kids. Like, you guys know, if you guys see our Vegas vlogs or even Cali vlogs in general, you guys know we love going to arcades with the kids and having fun and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about today. It's going to conclude the anniversary weekend, but we're not done yet. We're going to go home and watch Knuckles and Sonic. You want to see that?
Yeah.
You gonna watch it? What about you? I'm excited, guys. We heard that it was really good, so we're excited. But are you gonna do this more often to come here? We used to always do it when the baby was little, but we're gonna come back and do it again. So anyways, last words, babe?
Hey guys, it was a fun Sunday. We had a great day. Kids were playing with the arcade. I was watching the Mavericks play them. But we are still celebrating our 9-year anniversary. You know, I love this girl so much. She means the world to me. Got it for the rest of my life and forever. Thank you. I love you.
Love you, babe. I'm happy that we had a good Sunday. Close it out so we can start the week fresh and work hard, and then the countdown to vacation. So I'm really excited for that. So, all right, y'all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Huh?
We're going to Legoland for my birthday.
Okay, yeah. That's where you want to go?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it.
I'll do Disneyland.
We're going to go do Disney for Sissy's birthday.
Yeah. Let's go. Legoland.
All right, you guys. Bye.
Bye.